Let's see what the weather's up to now. Here's Judith.
Thank you very much. Beautiful blue skies there.
Gorgeous.
Up in the northwest Highlands, and blue skies like that often lead to very cold nights indeed. And it was a lovely sunset. We get that at this time of year when we have high pressure in charge, and high pressure is still in charge at the moment, but things are set to change ever so slightly, or significantly really. First of all, we'll see a weak weather front sinking south later tomorrow night and Saturday, but then this front here pulls in from the Arctic, and it will bring very cold northerly Arctic air across the country, turning bitterly cold. Those strong winds wheaking in a number of snow showers across the northern half of the country. As far as tonight's concerned, increasingly clear skies leading to a widespread sharp frost pretty much across the board. A bit more cloud coming around the top of the high across northern Scotland or Northern Isles really, and temperature-wise will tumble away well below freezing in the Highlands and Perthshire, maybe down to minus 10 or 11 Celsius, but for most of us around about minus 4 or 5, and we will see some fog issues as well, particularly through the central lowlands and the south. And some of that freezing fog could be quite stubborn first thing tomorrow. A few patches up towards the Great Glen, a cold and frosty start, but out with all that, it's a beautiful start to the day for most of us. We'll see morning wave clouds starting to filter in around northern Scotland as we head through the course of the afternoon. The first signs of a weak front, and it may introduce a few spots of rain over the Northern Isles, and we'll pick up a brisk westerly wind here as well. But for eastern Scotland at last, plenty of sunshine from Aberdeenshire right down to the border. A lovely day here. It'll feel cold, highs of around 3 Celsius. Winds will be light. In the west, still some sunny spells for the southwest towards the Glasgow area, but some frontal clouds starting to push in across parts of western Scotland and the northwest. Winds picking up over the Western Isles and the northwest too, with 1 or 2 spots of rain. So that rather weak affair for front, bringing thicker cloud into the north, some outbreaks of rain as it moves southwards. It really starts to break up into literally a few spots of rain, turning drier and clearer behind it. Any early cloud in the south clears away on Saturday. Lots of dry weather and some sunshine. Morning wave cloud across northern parts. It will be a windy day. Here's the setup for Sunday. It'll be cold and we'll see snow showers in the north. That's the forecast.
And if it looks like that everywhere, it'll be gorgeous.
It will be.
Thanks very much indeed, Judith. And McAlpine will be here with your late